Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Calendar step by step. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you are already signed into your Google account, the calendar will load right away. If not, sign in using your email and password. The main screen shows you today's date in the center. On the left side, you see a small monthly calendar and a list of calendars you can show or hide. The large area in the middle is your main schedule. By default, it shows your week. If you prefer to see a single day or a whole month, use the buttons in the top right corner to switch views. To add an event, the quickest way is to click directly on the date and time you want. A small window will pop up. Type the event title, adjust the time if needed, and press Save. For more options, double-click instead. This opens the full event editor. Here, you can add a location, a description, or even attach files from Google Drive. You can also set the event to repeat, like every week for a class or every month for a meeting. Another quick way to add an event is by using the Create button on the left side. You can also press the letter C on your keyboard as a shortcut. On mobile, download the Google Calendar app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in with your Google account and your events will sync automatically. You can add, edit, and receive notifications directly on your phone. If you ever need to find an event quickly, use the search bar at the top. Type a keyword, and Google Calendar will bring up matching results right away. Now you know how to use Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.